Starting your estate plan might feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to. Every roadblock has a solution, and the first step is simply deciding to begin. Maybe you've told yourself, I'm too young, I don't have enough, or I just don't want to think about that right now. But here's the truth. Estate planning isn't about death. It's about direction. It's about giving yourself and your loved ones peace of mind, today and in the future. Taking action now gives your loved ones clarity and security. It's not about fearing the future, it's about shaping it. By creating your estate plan, you're ensuring your family knows your wishes, your values are reflected, and your hard work is protected. You're also giving yourself peace of mind that your roadmap is ready, no matter what comes next. Think of your estate plan like your personal guidebook for the unexpected. Life throws curveballs. Accidents, illnesses, new family members, big life changes. Without a plan, those moments can become stressful, expensive, and even chaotic. With a plan, you've already thought through your wishes. You've already decided how to make things easier for the people you love. That kind of preparation doesn't come from fear. It comes from love, responsibility, and confidence. Many people delay estate planning because it feels uncomfortable or confusing, but waiting too long can have consequences. Without a plan, your family could face court delays, legal fees, or even lose control over how your assets are divided. More importantly, they may be forced to make hard decisions about your care without knowing what you would have wanted. Let's talk about the most common roadblocks and how to move past them. Roadblock 1. I don't have much, so it's not worth it. Estate planning isn't just about wealth, it's about clarity and care. Whether you have a small apartment or multiple investments, your estate plan makes sure your wishes are known and respected. Roadblock 2. I'm too young to worry about this. Planning isn't just for the elderly. Life can change in an instant. Having even a simple plan in place protects your loved ones and ensures your wishes are followed if you can't speak for yourself. Roadblock 3. I don't have a family. Even if you don't have dependents, you probably care about someone or something. Maybe that's a friend, a parent, a charity, or a pet. Estate planning allows you to make sure what you care about most is taken care of, even if you can't be there. Roadblock 4. It's too stressful. Actually, the opposite is true. People who complete their plans often say they feel relieved, lighter, more at peace. Once you've made your decisions and written them down, that mental space is freed up for everything else in life that matters to you. And here's a bonus. Planning helps you see opportunities. It can clarify your goals, align your finances, and make you feel more in control of your future. Here's a simple way to start today. 1. Write down one small step you can take right now. Maybe listing your assets or thinking about someone you trust to make decisions for you. 2. Write down your reason for doing this. Is it your family, your peace of mind, your future? Keep that reason visible. 3. Identify your biggest roadblock. Fear, time, confusion. Once you name it, you can tackle it. 4. Set one small goal today. Maybe it's completing one lesson. Maybe it's making a list of what you own. The important thing is to start. 5. Take that first step this week and celebrate it. Each small action brings you closer to a complete, flexible estate plan. 6. Decide if you want help. You can use this app to get organized, learn your options, and decide whether to involve an attorney. Either way, you're in control. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Every step forward is a gift to you and the people you care about most. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal, financial, or tax advice. The content provided is general in nature and may not apply to your specific situation. For personalized guidance, please consult a qualified attorney, financial advisor, or tax professional.